Check it out. Bam!
Check it. Alright. There's Friesen. He's got good corner speed on that R6. I didn't trail enough. There's Kim. We're gonna check my tire temperatures. There's a 29 in that sector.
All right, guys, we got mini handle and we got big handle. No sound restrictions at Pacific. Yeah, so get her on the Beamer. Or just run like that. All right, Steven. Steven, what did I just do? What's going on here? Look at that muffler I just put on.
You came from 2 or something? That's good.
What did I just do with this muff?
Well, you were smoking way too much weed, and then you took it off and you put it back instead of that one. Instead of this one.
I took it off and I just put it back on.
All right.
I haven't smoked any weed. None. None. All right, let's do it again. All right. Oh, guys, look at this. That's not good. Turn 5. Coffee beat the shit out of his bike in a bad crash. Is he okay? Where is he? Oh, he didn't go to the hospital? It wasn't that bad? Mostly the bike? Yeah, but, you know, shit. Sorry to see, man. Nobody likes to fucking see this shit. It's horrible. Horrible. Yikes. P-Man. Powell. All right. So I passed tech and I changed the exhaust. I know. If you pull the warmer, it looks even more so. But I mean, from the crash, it would be like, how would that even be possible? The frame was never hit. The swing arm was, the only place the swing arm was touched was this right here. So, you know.
Yeah, the shape of the swing arm.
It's just an illusion.
Yeah.
Well, I'll get the tape measure out. I'll measure each side. But yeah, it's the illusion of broken. So anyways, guys, I signed up for the Formula Ultra race at noon, and hopefully the weather doesn't rain before then. I'm going for the money. I gotta get the money. I'm gonna go get one rear tire, make it happen. I got some old rubber I found. I'm gonna use that one for qualifying. It's from Virginia, and I got this one, a 14 lap front SC2, and I'm gonna go. Oh yeah, and this is, what is this one? This one, rim 0. Yeah. Oh, you got a little tool.
I'll double check if it's right.
Oh, does it help you align the chain?
Yeah.
A little motion. It makes you give a straight angle at the chain.
Yeah.
Just pull the warmer and you spin it.
Oh.
Oh, you just look right now?
Yeah, it's...
It looked straight when I
almost
spun
right,
it.
Yeah. Yeah, take a look at it.
Oh, neat. I don't know if you guys can see this, but... Oh, I see. Wow, I mean, it's hard to tell.
Yeah, it needs to be like in line, like.
We got spectators. Anyways, guys, the commentary was fucking hilarious. Check it out. Bam!
Go guys. Okay, FP1. Hello everybody. My right earplug didn't seal very well, which sucks, but I don't have time to fix that. So here we go. FP1, first time on Merlin since breaking my thumb. Didn't have a chance to even ride the bike anywhere. Oh boy, this is gonna be interesting. been riding the Ninja 400 the whole time, so it's gonna feel pretty gnarly for the speed factor. Oh yeah. Quick shifter I gotta get used to, a lot of stuff I gotta get used to. Power, insane power. Oh yeah. Oh, lot different, lot different. Bumpier for sure. Oh yeah, it's bumpy. Oh, it's bumpy, it's bumpy, it's bumpy. It's insane power. Oh my god, warp speed effect. It's gonna be so hard to overcome the warp speed. Alright, third gear, let's try that. Same tires I crashed on, hopefully they work. They feel kind of weird so far. It's definitely cold outside, guys, like 50. Oh, traction control's too much. -2. Oh, my foot placement. Lean the bike. Oh yeah, new pavement with the bike. Let's get used to the warp speed. Here we go. I got a long wheelbase. I extended the wheelbase. There's this jump right here. I've been ripping the 400 through here so much, this is weird. How do you hold full throttle through this death zone, huh? Look at that tire wall of death. Maybe drop the second gear. Tall gear I'm running. 1541. That's a lot different than the 400. Oh, my feet placement feels weird. First lap of the 43. All right, let's start to get knee down. First knee down right now. There it is, there it is. Who is that? What is that? 600? Cowie? Rear brake, there we go. Alright, whoa, Lorenzo, oh my god, I'm jumping. How do I fix that? Maybe less rebound in the rear to keep it down more, quicker, extend it out quicker. So it doesn't roll the jump. I mean, I want it to roll over and up and down, over the bump. Cold conditions, buddy. Careful. Don't need to do knee down in FP1 quite yet everywhere. Whoa! Fifth to the death chute. Sixth gear. Whoa! And brake at the 3. 1, 2. There's knee down. Getting used to traction. Once the temperature comes up a bit. Grip third gear, that works. That at the brake at the 2. Whoa! Holy shit. I hope my ABS is working. It's cold out. Ah, first sector is a 29. Whatever that means. I got traffic. That's a big bump right there on the way into the track. Turn 5. Whoa, it's hard to steer left and right or right and left. There's second gear. Look at everybody's wide entry. They're not quite the line I do anyways. Who's right? Well, I don't know. We'll see as I pick it up more. First time racing this track in many years with the repave. Oh, it's blocked. I must be in fifth right now, yep. There's 6. Oh, enter late. Late turn in. Done. Second. Trail in the front, right to there. Let's see what the first sector is. A bit slower, it's a 30. Okay, here's the bump. Up, ass in the air. Oh shit, it's big. Whoa, that one's big too. Hold it tight line so I can get on the throttle early. Rocking the rear brake all the time on this track. Right now even. Yeah, these guys don't know the line, I would say. Wasting time going wide in the entry just to be wide in the middle too. I'm off the second in that sector. There's 6. And turn 1 up dead. Alright, brake, down to third. I'm coasting it, not using all the track. Not keeping the front end weighted as much as I should on the front brake. So you gotta come in faster to be safer, which is weird, huh? Oh, look at these guys way off fucking line. I don't like that bump and that bump. Rear brake, rear brake, rear brake. And still with the rear brake, just dragging those pads. I'm really wide. See, even though I'm faster, I'm offline, just way more distance traveled. Freezing. He's got good corner speed on that R6. Oh, I didn't trail enough. There's Kim. Check my tire temperatures. There's a 29 in that sector. Okay, so I'm trailing the brake over the bump. Whoa! Over the bump. Whoa! Stay tight. On the throttle, on the throttle, on the throttle, on the throttle. Okay. It. Hey, bud.
Hey, Marcel.
Hey, bud.
How's it going, brother?
Going okay. row am I in? Next one. All right, tire temperature, tire temperature. Let's check those tires. Find neutral. Behind you, behind you, behind you.
Well, thank you for coming to my pit, guys. Check out the pressures. The front started at 29.9. It dropped 1 psi in the front. The rear gained a psi. And you see my before temperatures. I got to write them down. First time on the BMW since my crash. 59 degrees of lean angle. And I did a 29.6 with some traffic. 173 kilometers top speed. Interesting. 43, 32, 31, 29, and then a 30-0. Okay. They got like 4 laps of besides the start. All right.
Third. A little better. Using the whole track. They're barely touching my knee though. Not doing much lean angle.